I need 2 teaspoons of yeast. 1, 2. Then we've got some salt because we are salt addicts. Just 1 hand. I'm just gonna go with my fingers. Pinch of salt. Beautiful. Then we're gonna use 3 cups of flour. So I've got my measuring cups and just 1, 2, oh, sugar, that's a lot. Just put some of that back in there. Okay, just gonna put my hands in there. So now we just let her sleep under the blanket and put her away to rest for a couple hours. Chuck her all in. Okay, beautiful. Just add any spices that you have. I've got some cumin, more garlic because we like the garlic breath. We can put people to death. Paprika is super essential, especially if you're Eastern European wog. You just gotta overdose on paprika. There's just no other option. And vegeta. I'll put some vegeta, and I literally just finished the whole jar. Because, you know, you gotta live a little. So you gotta use vegeta and some salt. Because salt just makes life better. And tomato puree. Here I'm using the can opener and shaking up the chickpeas. Gonna add her in with some water and passata. I'm just going to get some water. Look at her go. Fill her up. Oh boy, that's heavy. Oh my god. Okay, and also the most important part. Bay leaf. And also, you don't have to have a pressure cooker like this. I just bought this 2 years ago because I thought I needed it, but you really don't. So I'm just going to put it on soup and that's it. Now I'm just going to chop up some spinach and I'll get some frozen veg for the end. Yeah, I don't know what she means by that, but we'll just leave her be. And now I'll just clean up. And also, this is the bread. Has it risen? I don't know. but we'll check on her in 2 hours. And then she goes in the warm hole, the warm oven. Oh, and that's also ready. So for 45 minutes, well, this is 42 now. But yeah, I don't know how this oven completely works, to be honest. I will add all the spinach and frozen veggies. It's potato, corn, carrot, peas. Yeah. Mix her up. So I've changed my shirt like 3 times. I'm an idiot, and this is off. So the bread won't rise.